yesterday. Looks so good to me, I know, but I can't change. Tried to tell you, but you look at me like maybe I'm an angel underneath.
Here's Hoover Dam in the eyes of two guns. Two guns shot this video with his Gopro 5. Come along with the ride. Let me have the footage. I'm sharing it with you guys. Yay! Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's Slappy dog. Alright, you guys, check me out. But let me know what you like about this video or not like.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some
in the back, sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly we're blue lights, flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Barely pick words of comfort, singer just hides her eyes. Policeman caps his shades, is that a Chevy 59? How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre. Unknown as we pull in for some gas. Officially pasted poster reveals a smile from the past. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Belly speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh baby, it's making me crazy, it's making me crazy. Every time I look around, every time I look around,
Every time I look around,
every time I look around, it's my
Thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like these.